Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Swiftrans wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 4K kit. This compact device boasts a dual antenna design, ensuring a stable wireless connection over extended distances, up to 165 feet or 50 meters in a barrier-free environment. What sets this apart is its support for Ultra HD resolution, delivering clear and vivid images without delays or lag. It's not just about movies. This mirroring dongle is a game-changer for learning, business meetings, family parties, and gaming sessions. The wide compatibility of the wireless HDMI receiver with HDMI and VGA interfaces opens up various possibilities. Whether it's your PC, gaming console, camera, or even your smartphone or tablet screen, this kit lets you seamlessly stream content to your TV monitor or projector. The plug-and-play feature ensures a hassle-free experience. No need for apps, drivers, or software. Just connect the transmitter to your computer's HDMI port and the receiver to your display, and you're good to go. And let's talk about the design, small and exquisite, making it easy to carry around. Swiftrans has really paid attention to user needs here. If you're in the market for a reliable wireless HDMI solution, this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.